Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Loora AI, which is one of the most unique AI apps for improving your spoken English. Unlike other apps that focus on grammar rules or vocabulary flashcards, Loora is an AI powered speaking tutor that helps you practice real English conversations just like talking to a real human. It is available 24/7, it corrects your pronunciation and gives instant feedback on fluency and tone. So, whether you are preparing for a job interview, planning to study abroad, or simply want to sound more confident in English, Loora can be a powerful daily companion. I will show you exactly how it works, what are its features. To get started, I will give you my honest review after testing it myself. So before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in the first step, you will have to download the app and started its setting up. So first of all, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for Loora. Once you are able to find the Loora app, you need to tap on the install button in order to install the application in your device. Once the installation is complete, you will have to tap on the open button. Then you need to sign up here with the help of your email address. So you can either continue with email address or you can simply provide your Google account here. Then you need to click on the get started option, and in order to set up your account, you will have to first of all provide your name. Then you need to press next, select how old are you. So after selecting it, you need to select your avatar. Then you need to press next. Then you need to select what's your native language. So here, after selecting your native language, you need to just press next. Then you need to select your English level. So whether it is basic, intermediate, beginner, advanced, you will have to select that. It will ask why do you want to improve your English. So you need to select the reason and then you need to press next. Then Loora can definitely help you with that. So here you need to just press next. You need to choose 3 or more areas of interest like food, movies, and let's say philosophy. Here you need to press next on the bottom. How did you find about Loora? So here you can select how did you find about Loora. Then you need to select your practice time. So you can set up your 5-minute daily practice reminder here, or if you don't want to do it, you can simply click on the maybe later option in the bottom, and it will take some time to show you the personalized dashboard. So after you set up, you can basically start speaking right away. You need to just tap the microphone button, and here you can start a conversation with Loora. You can talk about your daily life like the hobbies, work or business, travel, or even the practice interview question. Loora replies in the real time and keeps the conversation going naturally like a human tutor. For example, if you just click on the league option over here, you can start your lessons. On the home page, you will see this type of graph, which is basically the fluency graph. Here you can click on the start lesson option and you can just listen to some of the lessons. These will be the grammatical lessons that you can do. So here Loora really actually shine with the feedbacks and the corrections. After every conversation, you will get a feedback on your pronunciation, your grammar mistakes, your fluency, and the vocabulary choices. You will see which word you mispronounced and how you can fix them. You can also reply your responses to hear how you sounded. The pro tip here I would like to give you is that you can try using different vocabulary and idioms, and Loora will highlight them and tell you if you use them correctly. The feedback is simple, clear, and not too technical. Actually, it is perfect for self-learners. You can use the daily topics and the challenges. So here you will see the today's option. You can click on that and you can complete your daily lessons. So you can role play a restaurant customer, answer a random interview question. You can describe a photo in English or give your opinion on a trending topic. So these keeps your practice session fresh, and it will also help you build your vocabulary in different areas. There is also a progress tracker that shows how many minutes you have spoken each day, and it is great for building a daily habit. You can aim for 5 to 10 minutes daily to see the big improvements over time. So now is the time for giving my honest opinion and my honest review here. So after trying Loora for some time, here is what I liked about it. So if I talk about the pros, it feels like talking to a real person. It works 24/7, no need to book any lessons. It is great for pronunciation and fluency. It helps you encouraging and motivating, and it will also gonna give you the feedbacks. You can talk about the real life situations. The only cons that I would like to mention is that there is no live tutor, only AI, and it is limited to speaking and not ideal for reading writing practices. It requires a subscription for full access after the trial. So overall, I think Loora is a great option for anyone who wants to speak better English but feels nervous or doesn't have someone to practice with. It is super helpful for improving your accent, your confidence, and the conversation flow. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. If you have any questions, you can do let me know that in the comment section below as well. Thanks for watching.